Okay guys, I'm back. Okay, so I got the new one, which is the Vulture on 2. I know how this is made. So guys, I'm going to get Vulture on, so you can know how to get it. This is how to get it. Firstly, you need to go at 2,000 meters. Okay. Match this code. Wide follow. Okay. So matching. Wait, I need this quest too. I'm going to ride him until it's 50 seconds. I don't know, I forgot. It's okay, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That guys, that right there. I lost count. That's okay because I don't even want it. So this is how you get it. Firstly, ride a giraffe, whatever giraffe you want. If it's not raining, then